Hi children, have a good day. Welcome to grade 6 maths class. Today it is session 3 of chapter 3 factors and multiples. In last session we have discussed about rules of divisibility. In today's session we are going to see about prime numbers, composite numbers and co-prime numbers. Before getting into the session, we can start our class with a prayer. Everyone sit straight, close your eyes.
शांति शांति शांति.
Open your eyes slowly. Let's do one energizer. If I say multiples of 5 table, raise your right hand. If I say multiples of 8 table, raise your left hand. Are you ready? Number 5, number 16, number 8, number 25, number 50, number 56, number 80, number 20, number 32, number 24, number 10, number 32, number 40. Okay children, superb. Our first topic is prime numbers. What are prime numbers? Prime numbers are those numbers that have only two factors, that is 1 and the number itself. So, prime numbers are numbers that have the two factors, that is the same number and number 1. Example, number 2. 2 ones are 2 and 1 twos are 2. So, the factors are 2 and 1. So, a number which is having only two factors are called prime numbers. Example, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. These numbers are factors of itself and number 1. Example, we can choose number 15. So, 1 15s are 15. 15 ones are 15. 5 3s are 15. 3 5s are 15. So, the number 15 is having factors as 1, 3, 5, 15. So, 15 is having 4 factors. So, it is not a prime number. So, a prime number must have only two factors, which is number 1 and the same number. And next, composite numbers. What is meant by composite numbers? The numbers that have more than two factors. Example, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 132, 156 are composite numbers. So we can choose number 10. So 10 have factors like 1, 2, 5, 10. So it has multiple factors. Example, 1 10s are 10, 2 5s are 10, 10 1s are 10, 5 2s are 10. So it is having more than two factors. So if a number is having more than 2 factors, we call the number as composite numbers. And last topic is co-prime numbers. What is meant by co-prime numbers? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have a single common factor 1. Two numbers are said to be co-prime if they have a same single factor 1. See the example, 22 and 25. So we are going to see the common factor. So 22 we get 1 into 2 into 11. So for 25 is 1 into 5 into 5. So by seeing the two numbers, we have the same common factor 1. So 1 is the only common factor between 22 and 25. So these two numbers are co-prime to each other. Children, listen carefully. When will we say a number is co-prime? We call the numbers as co-prime if the both numbers have a common factor, which is also a single common factor. Then we will call it as co-prime. So, co-prime numbers have single common factor 1. So today we have seen about prime numbers, composite numbers and co-prime numbers. So today your homework part will be on your concept book. Do practice zone 3 in page number 41. So there are 4 questions. I will read out one by one. First question. List all the prime numbers between 19 and 39. So you have to write all the prime numbers between 19 to 39. What is meant by prime numbers? A number is a factor of itself and number 1. Next, second question. Write all the composite numbers between 11 and 31. So you have to write the composite numbers between 11 and 31. What is meant by composite numbers? Yes, the numbers having more than 2 factors. Having more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. And third question. Which of the following set of numbers are co-prime numbers? So they have given 3 subdivisions, 5 and 39, 187 and 188, 57 and 48. So you have to find the factors of these numbers, and if you have the single common factor 1 for both the numbers, then the set of number is a co-prime number. So you have to find out the factors of 2 numbers and see that whether the numbers are having single common factor 1. If they are having a single common factor 1, then the 2 numbers are co-prime to itself. And fourth question. A number n is not a prime number and is a factor of 16 and 20. What is the number n? So they have given to find out the number n which is not a prime number. So it has multiples more than 2. So you have to find out the number which is not a prime number and having factors of 16 and 20. So find out the number. Children, complete your homework and hand in Google Classroom app, Grade 6 Maths. Drink plenty of water, eat healthy foods, reduce your screen time, stay home, stay safe, keep learning. Thank you very much, children.